everybody! Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Daedalus Stormbow in Terraria. So if we just go to my map, Mythicalist, and check, you can see that if we look here, I have the Daedalus Stormbow. Basically what it does is it rains arrows from the sky, and it's truly quite interesting. Just does all that. So here's how to get it. So if I check my map, we're gonna have to be going to the underground hollow. Just make sure that this is a hard mode thing. So if you're in pre-hard mode, sorry, you can't get the Stormbow. So you're going to need to go to the underground hollow and look around for some enemies. It shouldn't take too long to find enemies in the underground hollow, but I'm just gonna use my sanguine. So there you go, over there, there's a chaos elemental. So, oh, here it is right here. So if we kill it, we didn't get one here, but there's a chance that you will get a soul of light. You're going to need 15 of those. So there's one right there. If we check, I have 2. And so we're just going to try to get some more. Shouldn't be that hard. And I'll just fast forward until I get enough souls. Alright, we're back, and now that I have at least, I have at least 15, I have 16. You need to have more than 15, you have to have 15, or a little bit more, it doesn't matter. You'll just have some left over. I think people already know that. So, funny thing, while I was trying to get these souls of light, I accidentally found a hollowed mimic and got a flying knife from it, which was also what we're going to be summoning to get the Daedalus Stormbow. And I also accidentally got a Rod of Discord. I don't know. Pretty sure I heard that thing is rare. So, yeah. Okay, so now we're going to head back home. And you have to craft the Key of Light. So, I don't actually remember where you craft it. I think it's just at a crafting table. Yeah, so just do it at like a wooden table or an anvil or whatever. Not sure what it is. And make a Key of Light. Next, you're going to need any type of wood. Well, yeah, I think any type of wood. Just need, a little bit of it. Not sure too much. Be able to check in a second. And you're going to need 2 either iron or I believe lead bars to make a chest. So you need 8 wood and 2 either iron or lead bars. And now take this chest to somewhere you're like prepared to fight something, because you are going to have to fight something. So just place your chest down on the ground, open it, and put in the Key of Light, which will turn it into a hallowed mimic. Once you kill this, there's a, believe, not guaranteed but pretty high chance, I'm not sure, that you'll get the Daedalus Stormbow. If I don't, that's okay. Instead, I got a crystal vial shard. This thing's interesting. But if you kill it enough times, or like I did on my first try, you'll get the Daedalus Stormbow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get the Daedalus Stormbow.